House of Kings. Hey, only got 4 days more.
4 days. Wow. So you're only 22.
Yes.
And you have gone this far in life. Grabe.
Thank you, Lord.
Diba? Some people wait a lifetime, but you've gone so far. Sobrang galing mo. Right. So what was your inspiration to sa river?
I just wanna, well, life now, I've been going with the flow. So life right now, gaya ng river. Ganun na siya kasimple. And I feel like, grabe yung trajectory ko in drag. 1 year and then drag race, and then what's next for Zimba. But right now, I'm feeling secured. So hindi ko dapat intindihin kung ano yung pangyayari sa future ko. So I'm grateful for what has been happening in my life, and thank you, Lord, for that.
You know, the first time I met Zimba was in an open lip sync for Yumi Party ng season 1 of Drag Race. Right? And then, that's the first time I saw you. You were just like baby queen, but girl, there's the production, the look, the mud. You were saying about you're very accomplished now. You're happy with your life right now.
Yes.
And so what else? So right now, talagang go with the flow lang, right?
Yes, go with the flow. And I feel like God has more plans for me in the future. So, ayun ang pinakahawakan ko. Yung binigay ni Lord now, yung pinakamalaking achievement. What more sa future? Biggest achievement, everyone, for me.
And you know, as a producer, talaga, alam mo si Zimba yung ang sarap niya kasi talagang ibibigay niya 120% everywhere. So, sa mga corporate events dyan, mga Pride Month, you have to reach out to Zimba and get them in your event.
Thank you.
So, ano sa puso mo?
Tapos na yung puso.
Ano sa puso mo?
Kinikilig ako. Wala.
Isa mong dancer
Kaya nga eh, lahat yung parang bet ko eh. Isa lang to. Charay, wala.
So yung online romance na nakikita namin sa Twitter, is there some truth to it?
Oh my God, sakit pa naman magsalita. May February 14 pa.
May February
Doon natin malalaman kung yung birthday show ko maganda ay 15.
Oo nga, so may birthday show ko sa February.
Yes! I'm inviting you guys to come to my birthday show. I am performing with Kiana and Angel, Kapansin Squad, Audacia Club, Ricky Ding for sure, House of Ding, and for sure me, and the dancers. So, please come to my birthday show. It's gonna be worth it. Feel ko talaga na ako sa 15. Kung na-virginize si Siza, ng alien ko sa Deeds, malalaman natin kung